Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Dreamhost with WordPress. First, choose a Dreamhost hosting plan that fits your website's needs, whether it's shared hosting or a more robust option. Next, register a new domain name directly through Dreamhost or easily transfer an existing one. Finally, utilize Dreamhost's convenient one-click installer to get WordPress up and running on your domain in just a few moments. Once WordPress is installed, log into your new dashboard. This is where you'll begin to truly make your site your own. Select a theme that not only looks great but also aligns with your brand and offers a good user experience. Don't forget to install essential plugins for security, search engine optimization, and to enhance your site's overall performance. With your site configured, it's time to create compelling content. Start by adding new pages for static information and engaging blog posts to share your insights. Remember to optimize your content with high-quality images and clear, readable formatting to keep visitors engaged. Once you're satisfied, simply hit publish to make your content live for the world to see. Maintaining your WordPress site is crucial for its long-term success. Regularly update WordPress core, your themes, and all plugins to ensure security and optimal performance. Always perform frequent backups of your website's files and database to protect against data loss. Finally, monitor your site's performance and user engagement to identify areas for continuous improvement and growth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.